On this episode, we are going to be checking out one of our best-selling travel accessory, the Vago or Vago travel vacuum compressor and vacuum bag, coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Ori Bags, and on this channel we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better. So if this is your first time watching, please consider subscribing. Now, I just got back from LA a couple of days ago, and let me just say that the Vago vacuum bag and compressor was a complete lifesaver and space saver as well. Now, I was in LA for about 10 days, and you can imagine the amount of stuff that you need to pack for 10 days. Plus, you have to take into account space for shopping and, of course, souvenirs that you need to get for all your family and friends back home, especially my family who are helping me out with the kids. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. Let's dive straight into the video. Right, so these are the parts. Now this one right here is the Vago travel vacuum compressor. Now check it out. It's sleek, and the best of all, I really appreciate how small it is, right? So over here, as you can see, take a closer look, you will find a very discreet Vago logo right here. And on this part over here, this strip over here, this is actually an LED indicator, and at the bottom here you'll find a micro USB power port right here, okay? And this part right here, this here connects to the suction cup of the vacuum bag right here, this part. Okay, now this one right here, this is the vacuum bag. Okay, now the one that I'm having right here, this is in M size. Okay, so there are 3 different sizes for vacuum bags. So there's small, medium, and large. Now for the vacuum bag, this is actually the one that I used for my LA trip. So again, this is M size, and the vacuum bag has 2 key components. Now one is the vacuum cap right here, and the other one is the seal. Okay, now this seal is really important because you do not want any air to get in, so you need to make sure that you seal it properly. So the Vago vacuum compressor is really an amazing device. I just want to highlight again just how compact and small this is. This is really designed for travelers, and it's so small. Look at how tiny it is. It fits in the palm of my hands. And let me just show you that when I was traveling to LA, I was actually using the Power Shuttle Plus to store all my gadgets and all my devices. So I had my power bank, I had my earphones, my international adapters, all inside this Power Shuttle Plus. And of course, after I've done my vacuuming and everything, I actually stored my Vago inside the Power Shuttle Plus, and as you can see, plenty of space. Now let's just say if you're not using a Power Shuttle Plus, it can even fit into a Power Shuttle Mini. So this is a Power Shuttle Mini, also mine. So look at it, you can zip it up and it still fits perfectly. So this is really something that I want to highlight about how amazingly small and compact and travel friendly this device is. Okay, so let's just show you how this is done. Now, first things first, let me just move all of this away. Okay, now first things first, you need to load up your bag with your clothes. So I just got some black material over here. It's basically my tablecloth, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, just how much this Vago compressor can compress, and it's really amazing. This small device is actually really powerful, quite powerful. Okay, so I've got this all in. Now the next important thing you need to do is to make sure that you seal this bag properly. Okay, so okay, I've got this quite full right now, so let's see how this is gonna close. Okay, so not bad, it's still okay. Okay, so it's got this little, I don't know, a slider right here to actually help you seal the bag properly, and I find this very useful. But the one thing is, it can actually you can actually detach it, so be careful not to lose it, right? So just make sure that it's here all the time, otherwise you might just lose it. All right, so now the bag is sealed very well. Okay, you can just go run it through one more time just to make sure that it's sealed properly. Okay, so everything looks good. Now just remove the cap, and you can see it comes with a little pin. Okay, little pin over here, and this one, please make sure you don't lose this. Okay, so this is really important. Just keep it on the side here while you are doing the vacuuming. Okay, so this part over here, just close it over the cap and twist. Okay, very simple, just twist, and once it's tight, you are good to go. All right, now next we need to power up. So I've got a power bank right here. Okay, if you can, just make sure that you have a micro USB port, and you can just hook it up. If you can hook it up to a wall plug, that's fine. If not, you can just use a power bank like what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna hook this up. Right. Okay, so now as you can see the light has turned green. Okay, now when the light is green, it shows that the device is on. Okay, so when you want to start the suction, all you need to do is just push this button right over here. So give it a push, and once it changes color, it's red right now, you know it's working, and you can hear it working. Okay, now this whole process is going to take a while. Okay, so it's going to take maybe about 5 minutes. You know, once it's done, it will let you know. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this right here and come back when it's ready. Okay guys, so as you can see, once the vacuuming is complete, you will notice that the compressor will change its color to green. So that just lets you know that it's completely done. Now what you need to do next, just remove the power bank, then remove the compressor, and make sure you always put back the cap. Okay, otherwise the air is going to go back in, and there you have it. You have a completely compact, wow, vacuum bag. So this really looks like one big bakwa, one big what do you call that, beef jerky. So yeah, so basically the Vago compressor can actually help compress your clothing or your garments from up to about 50%. So it actually saves you about 50% worth of space. Well, that's all from me, guys. That was the Vago travel compressor and vacuum bag. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, if you're interested to get the Vago travel compressor and vacuum bag, remember it comes in 3 different sizes. You can check it all out at our website, that's oribags.com. Check out all the available sizes, and of course for the Vago travel compressor, we've got some really cool and really cute colors as well. You can check it out on oribags.com, or you can just hit the link in the description box below and it'll take you straight to the product page. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to us for more product videos and tips to help you carry better. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!